Hey everybody, we are TEI Landmark, where we teach, engage, and inspire, and today we're doing an unpacking of our Space Themed Crate in our Makerspace in a Crate leasing program. Let's dig in. E58 Pocket Drone. The E58 Pocket Drone is a remote-controlled, Wi-Fi enabled, foldable quadricopter drone with real-time camera feed. It also features an automated orientation focus or headless mode, an altitude hold mode for stable flight, 1 key return, 3 flight speeds, and 2 extra battery packs so you never have to stop and charge. Perform impressive real stunts, take high-quality pictures and videos, and see them on your mobile device in real time. Observe your world like never before. Merge cubes and VR headsets. The Merge Cube is a versatile digital learning tool. Extend virtual learning beyond the limitations of the screen by giving students the ability to interact with virtual objects. Simply download a compatible app to any device, hold the Merge Cube in your hand, and use your device's camera to turn your Merge Cube into a handheld hologram. Augmented Reality can turn the Merge Cube into anything from the solar system to a human body or even an interactive diagram, and allows learners to interact and even play with their subject of study. Take it a step further. The Merge virtual reality headset turns this AR tool into a VR experience. Simply slide your phone into the VR headset and interact with the Merge Cube, Merge apps, or any other VR app or 360 video completely hands-free. Mole Rats in Space. Escape if you can. In the game Mole Rats in Space, you and your teammates are mole rats on a research station that's been invaded by snakes. You need to collect your equipment and escape the station before you're bitten or time runs out. On your turn, carry out the instructions on the card in front of you, perhaps moving yourself or your teammates, moving one or more of the snakes, or adding a new snake to the board. Land on the bottom of a ladder and the character advances 1 level towards the escape pod. Land on a chute and you descend a level. Fall down a chute on the bottom level and you'll be shot into space. The game includes an extension pack of cards as well to make the game a bit more challenging. Ollie's Moon Adventure Activity Book. Ollie is a precocious young man with a lot of spunk and imagination. He's a student, an explorer, an inventor, and a dreamer. His greatest invention by far is his dream machine. Ollie's dream machine takes him on an awesome adventure to wild places in his dreams while he's peacefully sleeping in his bed. Or is he? In this fun-packed adventure, Ollie goes all the way to the moon. Along the way, he'll learn a few things, come up with a few wild stories, and test young readers' comprehension with fun coloring and puzzle activities. Mini Projector. This portable multimedia projector features an HDMI input which is compatible with most newer PCs, laptops, smart TVs, game consoles, and DVD players. It also includes VGA, USB, micro SD, and AV input, as well as a mini jack for audio output. The projector can be used to view the many learning apps, the Merge Cube, or footage from your drone flights in a group setting. Solar-powered project kits. Your space exploration crate will include a wide variety of solar-powered miniature vehicle and robotics project kits for your participants to build and experiment with. Most or all of these project kits can be completed and taken apart to be used over and over again. Some of these project kits will be returnable items, and some will be yours to keep. TEI has made every attempt to include a wide variety of different types of builds appropriate for different age ranges. These kits are a great way to get hands-on with robotic engineering, teach about conservation and clean energy resources, and explore how versatile design can affect the functionality of a robotic tool. Space posters. A variety of beautiful and educational posters depicting astronomical bodies and scientific facts to engage young minds and visual learners. These posters can be used to decorate a makerspace and advertise upcoming ongoing programs to your patrons. Sums in Space, an addition and subtraction board game adventure. On a deep space mission to survey a faraway planet, your crew is stranded and headed towards a black hole. Your only hope of escape is to race back to your rocket ship to escape in time. Sums in Space has 2 different game modes. Both games practice single-digit addition and subtraction and comparative numbers, greater than, less than, equal to. In the cooperation mode, players will also practice teamwork, communication, and coordinating strategy. Telescope. This compact and portable telescope is great for beginners, for daytime and nighttime use. It can be used to observe nature, wildlife, the planets, stars, moon, and more. The brand model of the telescope provided is based on availability, and the included parts and accessories will vary. This is rocket science. Building a rocket and learning about science has never been easier with This is Rocket Science, an activity guide. Fun experiments for kids and adults teach you how to build mind-blowing projects, each designed to show how mechanical science and astrophysics work from the inside out. Use everyday items like bottles, cardboard, glue, and tape to build awesome rocket ships, paper spinners, and mobile rocket launch pads, all while learning concepts like Newton's third law of motion, speed, gravity, and air resistance. Kids learn to make scientific observations, ask questions, identify and classify, and find answers to their questions, all while investigating space. Curious Space Card Game. There has never been a more fun way to learn about our solar system, galaxy, and beyond. In this unique card game, players develop their memory skills to find matching symbols, learn trivia and facts about 72 different aspects of our universe, and try to keep their laughter in check while attempting challenges of speed and creativity. Curious Space Card Game is designed for up to 18 consecutive players, and reading is not required for all games, so even very young learners can participate. So, this was our Space Themed Crate from our Makerspace and Crate leasing program. Make sure to give us a like, follow us, and call us if you'd like some more information. Our number is 800-850-1701.